buzz that has been now doing the round over Varun losing the ticket, because the exclusive information that is now coming in as far as Varun Gandhi is concerned, that he may not get that ticket from the BJP on Pilibhit, and this is a big upset for Varun Gandhi, likely as far as the sources have been suggesting that he is unlikely to be fielded from Pilibhit itself. Let me go back to Sabyasachi, but we have Adib also joining us live right now, because Adib, as far as the seats in Uttar Pradesh that have been discussed in this meeting that happened of the BJP, what happens to the seat of Pilibhit?
Well, definitely it's most likely that the current sitting MP Varun Gandhi may lose his ticket. As per the BJP sources, the highly placed sources in the BJP are telling us that Varun Gandhi may lose the ticket from Pilibhit, and there are two probable names also being discussed in the CEC meet, which BJP has discussed, and these probable names are of the minister, the State Minister Jitin Prasad and the Union Minister B.L. Verma. So the BJP sources are telling us that these two are the names that are doing rounds on the Pilibhit seat. Varun Gandhi may lose ticket. Talking about the Kaisarganj seat of Brijbhushan Sharan Singh, he was in controversy, so party may not give ticket to him. Instead of him, the party will give ticket to his wife Ketki or his son from the Kaisarganj seat. Talking about Raebareli seat, Raebareli seat, which has been the bastion of Congress party. So BJP is planning to give ticket to the rebel MLA of Samajwadi Party, Manoj Pandey. Remember, Manoj Pandey was the chief whip of Samajwadi Party in Uttar Pradesh Assembly. He cross-voted against Samajwadi Party and gave the vote in favor of NDA candidates in Rajya Sabha election. So BJP may give ticket to Manoj Pandey also on Manpuri seat, which from where Samajwadi Party has fielded Dippy Yadav. BJP is planning to field current tourism minister Jaiveer Singh. There are talks about the Devariya seat and
the Manpuri contest is also likely to get even more interesting. Would it be Aparna Yadav versus Dimple Yadav? Because that is also the talks that have been doing the rounds. Thank you very much, Adi, for getting us those updates. To you, Sabyasachi, as well. Election updates you're watching right here on Times Now, which is the country's election news headquarters. We will be back after a short break.